Let's finish reading our read aloud from yesterday. Oh, say, can you seed? We have talked about roots. We have learned about them. Now it is time we moved on to the stem. The stem is a pipe through which water shoots. It's absorbed from the soil and passed up through the roots. It shoots through the plant, and next, as you'll see, the leaves each turn into a food factory. Just like the rhino's protected with horns, the stem of a rose is protected with thorns. Leaves come in all shapes and sizes, I've found. Some small and some spiky, some big and some round. Some with smooth edges, narrow leaves, that means skinny, toothed edges, wavy edges, lobed edges, broad and flat leaves. But the thing that all leaves have in common is this: they make their own food by photosynthesis. Can you say that? Say it with me. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. I'll say this quite loudly. I don't mean to be rude, but plants are the only living things on earth that make their own food. To do this, plants need water, minerals, and sun. And that's why the daytime's when food making's done. For your information, and also for fun, hop in my shrink upper and let's see how it's done. The leaf takes in CO2, that's carbon dioxide, through a stoma or pore, a little hole in the leaf. It works like a mouth, and that's what it's for. Then the air gets mixed in with the water and the sun, and that's how the food-making factory is run. I see by my clock that now is the hour to drop in and say hello to the flower. Thing 2 has a chart. He will share it with you that shows what the parts of a flower all do. In the pistil are ovules. Here they are right there. They're unfertilized seeds. The stamen, which holds pollen, which an ovule needs. An unfertilized ovule will not ever grow, and pollen's the stuff that will fix that, you know. A flower's own pollen or another's okay. That's where the bees play a role, by the way. So the bees gather the pollen and give it to the flower, which helps it to grow. To make honey, bees need to get nectar from flowers. They fly and they gather this sweet stuff for hours. The pollen sticks onto their bodies and legs and falls off, and sometimes it reaches the eggs. An ovule that's fertilized becomes a seed. Around it grows fruit upon which we feed. When we say the word fruit, do you know what that means? It means olives, nuts, grains, plantains, tangerines, and apples and oranges and pineapples too. All kinds of plant foods that are healthy for you. And down, look at them, thing 1 and thing 2. Some fruits are juicy and messy to munch on. Dry ones like nuts are nice to just crunch on. Not all plants with seeds give us edible fruit. Some plants have seeds that look weird or look cute. Burr seeds are hitchhikers that ride on your clothes, and dandelion seeds sometimes fly up your nose. Some seeds come in pods that explode like a sneeze. Other seeds may have wings and can fly on the breeze. But whether they stick or they blow or they fly, seeds bring us life, and now you know why. I see the sun setting, and here comes the moon. Your mother is calling, your dinner is soon. I hope you have learned from my little seed talk, and now I will climb up this giant beanstalk.